I'm going to show you how to fix Wallpaper Engine not moving. So let's start. For the first step, go to the Windows taskbar, right click, after that select Task Manager. It will pop up like this. So go to the search, type in Wallpaper Engine. If you find it, make sure to right click, after that select End Task. Next, search for Steam. Go to the Steam 32-bit process, right click, after that select End Task, and make sure you have no Steam process is running right here. The next step, go to the Windows search bar, type in NVIDIA app. Now this will open. You just need to go to the left menu and select drivers. After that, make sure to install the latest available driver you will find. So click on install. After that, select Express installation and click on continue to initiate the process. Now for the next step, go to the Steam launcher and open it. After that, go to library and select collections. Now search for the Wallpaper Engine application. I'm just going to use this to explain to you. So go to this gear icon in the right, select manage. After that, go to properties. Now this tab will pop up. So go to installed files in the left. After that, click on verify integrity to verify the game files. So it will start by verifying the existing files and be recovering any missing or corrupted file safely without any issues. Just wait for it to finish. Now next, go to general. After that, go to launch options and type in -dx11. Now once you do that, you just need to go to the Windows icon right here and make sure you restart your computer. And that's it. If you found it helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.